Keeping pace is as important as submitting assignments. To make it easier for yourself, click on the calendar in the left side menu. This is your calendar. By selecting a course below, activities from that course will appear throughout your calendar. You can add more, but if you want to focus your search, select only one. You can go and see your February schedule by clicking on this arrow. The same rule applies for March. You can access your lesson directly from a calendar by clicking on it. This is the assignment you need to complete. Let's go back to the calendar. I want to show you how to book a class with a tutor. By clicking at the book lesson above, the new page will load. Here, we can select a group class or an individual one. Here, you will find the list of your courses for which you can book a class. Let's try science. On this page, select your tutor. Then, select the event, Science 3 Group Class. On this page, another calendar will appear. This calendar gives you an insight of the availability of a tutor for a given class. Science 3 can be booked on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Let's book one for Wednesday. On the right side to it, there will be timings. By clicking on it, you will confirm it. We are almost done. The last step is clicking Confirm Booking. Congratulations, you are scheduled. To see the list of your appointments, click below Book Lesson button where it says View Appointments. Great! You secured yourself a spot for Science 3 group class on January 21st at 3 p.m. Congratulations! The list of your appointments can also be found on your calendar. Click back to Calendar and it will appear here.